Let us look at the homework problem of week 8. So, the first homework problem was, so this is a reaction where SiH2 and H2 reacts to give SiH4. So, it says that it will create a new directory as TS, but I think I will create the new directory as homework in week 8. So, to do that, let us start first make the structure. I will use Chemcraft to make it. So, I will go to add fragment, molecules, simple compound. So, I will start with methane, and what I will do here is that I will replace the center atom from carbon to silicon. Oh, this does not work. So, maybe I have to do it like this. So, I have to start with the silicon atom and then add hydrogen. Now, I think the easiest way will be to use Avogadro first. So, in place of carbon, I just need to use silicon. And I can save it as product, save as. And inside the TS, let me make a new folder called homework. And inside the homework folder, let me save it as product. Now, I will use Chemcraft to make the reactant out of the product. So, the first thing I will do is to remove these two bonds. And now this one. And then what I will do, I will take one of the atoms a little bit far, and I will also drag this atom also close to it. I will get out of the drag mode, try to see how much is the distance between them. It's 1.64. Maybe I will try to reduce it to around 1. And I will now create a bond. So this is my reactant. Don't forget, in the Chemcraft, if you generate the XYZ file, it will not write the number of atoms. So let me write it, and then I can make the ts.input file. Of course, here we are going to use XTB, not PM3. And the charge and multiplicity will be 0 and 1. And also we need to optimize the ends, so we have to use pre-opt end is equal to true. Save as. ts.inp. Not save it in a proper place. Save as. Week 8 TS homework. Open in terminal. Orca. So the pre-optimization is happening for the reactant and the product. Now it has done the NEB optimization. So the initial reactant and products were pretty well optimized. So now it has got the climbing image. It's almost converged. Now it is done. So let's open the ts.output file. Open with Chemcraft. So this is the imaginary frequency, and if you visualize it, what's happening is that this hydrogen is going out and getting attached to the other hydrogen. So, this looks like a proper transition state. So, this is how it should look like in a calculation.